everyone. Today we'll talk about risk versus reward when investing. There's an expression in finance that there's no free lunch in investing. And while it's often true in the literal sense, the expression really refers to the fact that risk and return go hand in hand. In other words, you can't get rich quick without taking on a ton of risk. Now, different types of investments offer different combinations of risk and return. On the low end of the spectrum, you can invest in a savings account, which has virtually no risk, but very little return. Similarly, you can buy a government bond and earn a bit more interest, but still take on virtually no risk. Technically, the government could default on its interest payment to you, but if that happened, we'd have much bigger problems than that little bit of interest. From there, there's a whole spectrum of investments offering different risk-return possibilities, all the way up to very high-risk investments, those ones that offer the potential to get rich quick, but often with risk profiles that are indistinguishable from gambling. Now, a financial professional won't engage in anything with extreme levels of risk, but they will pick a collection of investments with different risk-return profiles that's appropriate for risk tolerance. And the idea being, if you can collect a mixture of investments that have different risk and return, you can build a portfolio that's better than the sum of its parts. And that's the balance of risk and reward in investing.